Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some features and in particular the Workpiece. So how to use it and what settings does what. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is going to be a mini series on RouterCAM features. So we'll be going through all the different features, how to use them. We've already covered the basic user interface and setting up the plugin. So now we will get started with the actual features. So now obviously make sure your thing is open, so that is under Tool, RouterCAM, we've got a check mark which means it's open, and if you're on one of these different panels, just simply navigate to a RouterCAM and click on that. Now with our right profile selected, we want to go to the Workpiece. So if we just simply click on this gray bar, we'll open it. Over here you will set up your actual Workpiece, what's the size of it and so forth. So by default, if you start the program, it will set up a custom one, and you can see the settings here on the right. Now you can simply change this, so let's maybe go 300 and 200. Then we can see it actually updates it live here in the program. You can also go to this one, fit to drawing. So whatever you have selected, if we click this, it will automatically make a Workpiece around that. So this will be your board you're going to be cutting on or so forth, the actual dimensions. So I would say just put in your right custom ones here. Then that is under dimensions. So the next up we have X and Y have 0 point. So if you've worked with CNC machines, you'll understand, okay, this is the basic starting point of your laser or so forth. Now make sure when you're setting this, you have show the point here, because you can hide it as well, as we see this little point. So we can set it up. So now you can use these arrows as well to set custom ones. Top left, if we click that, you'll see it move to the top left, bottom left, center, right, and so forth. Just keep mine bottom left. But yeah, so that is the Workpiece. So just a quick overview again, you can set the custom dimensions over here or scale it to graphics. So if you have a another design over this, a border perhaps, then you can scale it to that, and then it will take on the new scale. And then under that we've got the X and Y 0 point, so you can choose where's the 0 point on your design, and we can show and hide it. So after you've set it, you can always hide it if you want, if it's too distracting. Otherwise, that is it on the Workpiece. Next up we'll be looking at toolpaths, but before that, let's have a quick look at the website just. So if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, you will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for in the list, simply just go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.